बैठ गए सब लोग रेडी हो ओके 1 2 3 हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Karensa smile
Hello and welcome to 3KS Family.
and finally you get to see the entire 3KS family in a single frame to celebrate Karensa's 9th birthday and where we are celebrating Karensa
At Atlantis the Palm, Dubai.
so let us all go together to celebrate and explore Atlantis together come on let's go yay
Hello everyone, now we have arrived at Atlantis and yeah. Then we walked towards the lobby while my daddy handed over his car at the free valet parking station. Wow guys, check out this beautiful decoration at the entrance. Actually we came here before also, but we went back to record this entrance. And now we will go to the reception where Miss Angel will help us in the check-in process. Now guys, we have already done our check-in formalities. So now we're going to our room. This beautiful path leads us towards our room. So guys, we have already arrived to our room and I'm gonna give you a tour. Here's the opening and here we have some coffee and tea, cups.
kettle and what's next
And here is the washroom.
okay go inside
So here we have a bathtub and then there's a door over here next to our bed. So we can close it whenever we're taking a bath.
okay so you can close it from the other side
Yeah.
of the room
Yeah.
let's go that side
And I forgot to mention earlier that this cupboard has a safe, a dryer, a torchlight and an iron with an iron board.
show me your room
This is our room and this is the bed.
okay and
And
can you
then-
close this door
Yeah.
be careful her hand
Krisha.
Chrissy is already enjoying here
Here we go.
okay
Okay.
and then can you go towards the balcony
And this is a very beautiful view of our balcony.
can you open it wow it really is beautiful
Here's the swimming pool and yeah.
and we have taken this palm view
Yeah.
this is the palm
Wow,
view.
this is really cool.
there's a swimming pool down and the entire Dubai skyline
Yeah.
that's great Karensa
Oh, Krisha, come. Come, Krisha. Krisha, go.
as we came inside they welcomed us with a sanitization pack which has a box of face masks okay and a hand sanitizer Chrissy is already enjoying hotel facilities Chrissy what are you doing you're calling somebody you're calling reception say hello Chrisu the sound is coming from where इधर से आ रहा है what are you doing Chrisu here you're enjoying tell me what are you doing chips you're eating chips nice and Karensa what are you doing what is this
We're eating popping candy.
can I see this how it pops in your mouth
It's kind of really deep inside there right now. But it's staked, so yeah.
तो गाइज अभी हम लोग पूल एरिया में आए हैं और ये क्रिसिया का फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है स्विमिंग पूल में जाना जब से ये चलना शुरू हुई है एंड लुक्स लाइक शी इज़ हैविंग फन ऑलरेडी. वाओ, यू आर एंजॉयिंग क्रिसिया? What are you doing?
I'm putting on my glasses.
You want floaty?
What?
You want floaty?
Yeah.
Wow, Chrisia is enjoying. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Ahí se cambia
Kerensa, what are you doing?
I'm swimming.
You can break my brother. You that.
You looking like a professional swimmer.
You can.
Wow. You're a professional, Kerensa. Wow.
You can.
Wow.
Come on, Chrisia, try to swim. Come on, go. Yeah. Good. You can do it. Okay, guys, I will go down now. Let's try what happens. Okay, guys, Kerensa has now taken up a challenge to stay down for how many seconds you will stay down? 5 seconds?
Yes.
Come on, let's go. Let's go down. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 7 seconds you stayed down. Wow, that's amazing. Good girl. She's a brave girl. Yeah. Guys, check out another brave girl. She's enjoying by herself only. Look at her. Wow. Kusu, what are you doing? Oh, no, don't go down. No, beach. This is not beach, this is swimming pool. Don't you dare go down, okay? Okay, Krisa, you want to sit on my shoulders? Okay, let's try. Yay! Come on, let's go inside. Wow! You're enjoying, Krisu?
Whoa.
Krisu, you're enjoying? Krisu, you want to go down? Krisu, say hi. Say hi. Where are you now?
No.
आप किधर आए हुए आज? Didi?
Atlantis?
And what is this place? Where is Mama? Okay, and where are you? Mama. Papa.
Didi. Papa. Didi.
You want to come down?
No.
No? Beach? You want to go inside the beach? You want to go in water? Huh? Woo! मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि क्रिसिया इतना ज़्यादा फर्स्ट टाइम स्विमिंग पूल में एंजॉय करेगी, लेकिन ये तो बिल्कुल भी डर रही नहीं है और हमें कहती है कि नीचे मुझे छोड़ दो बस. पानी में डुबकियाँ मारती है. What is this? What are you doing? Beach? हम अभी स्विमिंग पूल से वापस आए हैं अपने रूम में। तो लुक एट दिस गाइस, व्हाट अ वंडरफुल व्यू फ्रॉम आवर बैल्कनी। अमेजिंग इवनिंग व्यू ऑफ द एंटायर पाम होटल। It looks stunning in the evening.